Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Learn how to care for your incision after surgery. Key takeaways. Wash your hands for at least 30 seconds with soap and warm water before touching your incision. Be gentle and avoid scrubbing your incision to prevent removing scabs and slowing healing. Regularly check your incision for redness or unusual drainage, as these can be signs of infection. The text covers the following points. Cleaning the surgical incision, use unscented mild soap, rinse well, and avoid scrubbing. Take a shower daily if possible. Inspecting the incision, look for signs of infection like increasing redness, warmth, or unusual drainage. Bracing the incision, hold a pillow firmly over the incision when coughing, sneezing, or having a bowel movement to prevent it from opening. Preventing injury to the incision, avoid lifting heavy objects, sun exposure, and dirty activities until the incision has fully healed. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak